southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Paw Paw, or 9 miles north of Mendota, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mendota, Earlville, Leland, Paw Paw, Sublette, Compton, and West Brooklyn, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 71 and 84. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.